Hi reception, now this is our last activity for adding on and making number sentences for this week. We will revisit it, we will come back to it, because what I want you to be able to do is to remember and then use what you've learned in a different way. So we'll come back to that perhaps next week or the week after. But today I want to remind you of, do you remember my necklace, my number bond necklace? And lots of you sent me the number sentence. You said my number sentence for this, because I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow, and then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green. And you correctly said, through my pen away, that I had 5 down, big fat belly hat on the top, and I had 5 yellow, and then I added, because that means added, 5 green, down, big fat belly, hat on the top. And then how many did I have all together? So we just can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we had 10. But do you remember, with our number line, I wanted you to try and remember that we had 5. So we could jump from, we had 5, and then we had 5 more. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. And how many do I have all together? That's 10. Well done. That was our lots of you wrote that to me. That was our number sentence to do with our necklace. And can you see what I've done? I've done one big jump to 5 because we had 5. And then we added on 5 more, and that is the same as saying 10. It's the same as, equals means the same as. Now, the reason I did the big jump is to show you that we can just count from, we don't have to count from 1, we can count from what we call a given number. So we knew we had 5 yellow, so we put 5 in our head, 5, and then you can count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just a revision of yesterday's. Now, oh, where's my board rubber? Is it on the other side? Oh, I just have to use my hands. Mrs. Keegan, it's very messy. Now I'm going to rub this out because I got another task for you to do, linked to what I've just shown you. Let me move my necklace out of the way. Cinderella might wear that for my party on Friday. I am going to dress up, so I'm looking forward to you as well doing the same. Now, this is what we've got today. It's again adding on, counting on to find how many we've got all together, which is also called the total. When you go to the shops to buy something, they total up, they add up all the things you bought to tell you how much you've spent. Then Mummy and Daddy have to pay the bill. So what we've got here, let's look at this one first. I'm going to move this one out of the way. Can you see? I've got a number card, and I've done it in a different way today. This is my playing cards. You see, these are really good things to use to help with number. So I got my playing card, and then I've got 2 counters. Now I want to find out 2 things. I want to find out how many I've got all together, the total, and how am I going to write that in a sentence, in a number sentence. So what number is this? You could count the hearts, but then you could just look at the number there. You all know that number. What number is that? It's 7, isn't it? Let's check for right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. And how many more have I got? 1, 2. So how many have we got all together? So you could put 7 in your head and then count on 2 more. And you can use the number line for that, can't you? So you can do the jump right to 7. I've got 7, and then how many more did we add? 2 more. So we're going to go 1, 2 more. How many is that? How many we got all together? That's right, 9. Now I want you to write the number sentence for that. How would I write that number sentence? 7, and then I added 2 more. And then how many did I have all together? I'm going to do something silly now. Don't tell Mr. Keegan. Look. Hope it comes off. Let you know later. So how many did I have all together? What's that number sentence? Now, let's have a look at this one then. I've got another one here. I've got another playing card. You see, I've got another playing card. And then how many have I got there? That's right, it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 more. I'm going to add 5 more. So what would be that number sentence? How would I write that as a number sentence? Remember, you've got to put the at, and then tell me how much all together. 4, and how many more, and what do I get? And don't forget, you could show me, let's rub this out, messy day today, you could show me on the number line, couldn't you? What do we do the big jump to? You show me on your post, and then how many more did I add on? Let me know. So I want you to write the number sentence for this one. Tell me exactly the number sentence. This is a number sentence. We made this sentence. I want you to show me with numbers as well for that. And then I want you to do the same for that one and show me using the number line how you worked it out. And then I'm going to post some little activities on Seesaw for you to do with adding on. How many more? What did you have? How many more? And then see if you can find out the total. That just means how much you had all together. Okay? I'm looking forward to it. Let's see. Should we see? Should we see if this rubs off? Oh, phew. I'm not going to be in trouble now. Au revoir.